Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest version of IntelliJ IDEA IDE in Windows 10 operating system. So let's begin. Now before installing IntelliJ IDEA IDE, I want to mention that it is very important to install Java 17. Since Java 17 has been rightly released, so it's time to install the latest version of Java. If you have previously installed Java 16, then it's time to upgrade it, and if you haven't installed Java, so it's time to install Java. So for that you can always simply click on this tool icon, and then if you just simply type cmd, then enter, and here if you just simply type java space dash dash version, then enter, you can see that Java 17 has been rightly installed, right? So you need to first install Java. So since Java 17 has been rightly installed, it's time to install IntelliJ IDEA. So for that, you need to just simply go to your favorite browser, and in the address bar, you need to just simply type IntelliJ IDEA download. Then enter. And then you'll be seeing this www.jetbrains.com is our first search result. So just simply click on download IntelliJ IDEA. And this is going to redirect you to this official site of IntelliJ IDEA, and you can clearly see it has rightly released on 17 September 2021, the latest version of IntelliJ IDEA, right? So here let us first cancel these cookies, right? And here you can see we have these two options, one is ultimate, another is community one. So since we are going to install it for Windows, we are right click Windows tab. If you are using some Mac OS or Linux, then you need to just simply proceed with those links. We are going to download it for Windows, and we are going to download for the community one, which is absolutely free. So for that, just simply click on this download icon, and you can clearly see it has rightly started downloading, right? Since I have already downloaded it, I just simply cancel it, and if I just simply minimize my browser, and if I just simply go to my download directory, you can see this IntelliJ IDEA 2021.2.2 has been rightly downloaded over here, right? So to install, just simply double click on it, and then just simply minimize our download directory, and you can see our installation setup has been rightly opened. So this will ask you for administrative privileges, so for that just simply click on yes, and you can see our installation wizard has been rightly opened for IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition, right? So just simply click on next, and this is going to be our destination folder, so keep everything as default. Then just simply click on next, and now it's asking which are the installation options you want to choose. So I am going to check this IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition to create a desktop shortcut, right? And then I also like to check this add open folder as a project, so that I can directly open any folder as a project. And we are going to use this IntelliJ IDEA for Java. If you are using some other languages like Groovy, Kotlin, or other these languages, you can always click on these links to open that project as well, right? And this is very important step. You need to check this add bin folder to path. This is very important step, right? So do check that, and then just simply click on next. And now it's telling that it's ready to be installed, so just simply click on install, and you can clearly see our installation has been rightly begun, and our desktop icon for IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition has also been created over here. You can always click on the show details to check how the installation is actually happening, right? So this entire process might take a couple of minutes. So what I'll be doing is I'll be coming back after installing this IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. Yeah, so we'll come back, and now you can clearly see our IntelliJ IDEA has been rightly installed, and it's currently telling that whether you want to reboot now or you want to manually reboot later. So it's always a good option to reboot now, so just simply check that, and then just simply click on finish. So this is going to start rebooting our machine. So again, what I'll be doing is I'll be coming back after rebooting our machine. So we'll come back, and now after successfully restarting our machine, you can see this IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition 2021.2.2 has been rightly installed over here. So just simply double click on it to launch our IntelliJ IDEA. And you can clearly see our IntelliJ IDEA Community 2021.2 has been rightly launched over here. So welcome to IntelliJ IDEA. just simply maximize it, and you can see this is basically the interface of our IntelliJ IDEA. So in here I am going to show you how you can easily run any Java program in your favorite IntelliJ IDEA IDE. So for that, all you need to do is you need to just simply click on new project, and this will going to open this new project window. In here you can see that they have already selected this SDK 17 version, that is the latest version of Java, right? This is Java, right? And now all you need to do is you need to just simply click on next, and you need to check this create project from template, right? So this command line app, and then this will going to create this main methods and all, right? And then just simply click on next. And now here you need to give a project name. So let's give the project name as a hello world, right? And you can clearly see this is going to be our project location, and you can give a base package name. So let's give a base package name as com dot. You can keep this default. I'm giving my company name, so Geeky script, right? And then just simply click on finish, and you can clearly see it has rightly started creating our hello world project. So our hello world project has been rightly created over here. So just simply maximize it. It is currently showing the tip of the day, so you can just close it for the time being, right? And you can clearly see our hello world project has been rightly created. And remember the package name we have set com.geeky script, right? So you can set your package name, that is totally your wish, right? And now I will show you how you can easily print hello world in your console. So for that, just simply type system.out.println, and we are basically going to print hello world, right? So hello world, and just simply end with a semicolon, and then if you just simply click on this run button, you can clearly see this building of your project has been rightly begun. So after building, it will going to show in our console. So since we are running this IntelliJ IDEA for the first time, it is taking some time. So you can clearly see this hello world has been rightly shown in our console, right? So in this way you can easily install the latest version of IntelliJ IDEA in Windows 10 operating system. And then I have also shown you how you can easily create a hello world project in your IntelliJ IDEA and how to run them, right? So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please give it a like, and so please to share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.